Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to save a page as a web page in Gmail on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by opening Gmail on your PC. Launch your preferred web browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Gmail account. Step 2. Once you're on the Gmail page, simply right-click anywhere on the page. This will bring up a context menu with various options. Step 3. From the context menu, select the Save As option. A window will appear, allowing you to choose the location where you want to save the web page. By following these 3 easy steps, you can quickly save a page as a web page in Gmail on your PC. This feature can be useful when you want to archive important emails or save web content for offline access. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Gmail tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.